Welcome to a video walk around from Kelowna Toyota. We are located at 1624 Carey Road in Kelowna, BC, Canada, right here in the heart of the Okanagan. Today we're going to check out this absolutely gorgeous 2023 Toyota Tundra Capstone Hybrid. From the side, we've got chrome door handles and trim, along with contrasting black mirrors that have integrated turn signals. We're also going to find our Capstone badging right there. Power comes from a 3.0 liter V6 engine with a hybrid electric fuel system, matted to an automatic transmission, and of course 4-wheel drive. Moving around to the front, we've got this big aggressive grille with chrome trim as well as fog lights. And inside we have a ton of amazing features. So let's hop right in and take a look what the interior has to offer. So jumping inside, we have a whole ton of features to check out. So let's start over here where we're going to find our power locks, windows, and mirrors. And then right down here we've got a whole ton of options like our automatic high beam, our trip meters down here too, as well as our park assist aid, our heated steering wheel, and our power folding mirrors. Right up here on the left hand side of the steering wheel, we've got controls for different info you can access up here on the dash. If we scroll through, we can get pretty much everything you need to know. For example, here's your safety settings, your lane keep assist, pre-collision system, blind spot monitor, and your parking aids and rear cross traffic alert. We also have the heads up display here as well. So down here, we're also going to find our audio controls and hands-free Bluetooth calling. And over here on the right is your quick buttons for your adaptive cruise control and your other safety features, as well as your mode. Moving on over to the center console, we have this beautiful giant LED touchscreen. We've got AM FM stereo with Sirius satellite radio, Android Auto, Apple CarPlay. We do have navigation and Bluetooth. You can also go in here and set everything up to look exactly the way you want it. Moving down, we've got our dual zone electronic climate control with our heated and cooled front seats. And right down here, we're going to find a bunch of different settings, such as your camera view. We do have the 360 aerial camera view here as well, your traction control. And then moving down a little bit more, we've got our electronic parking brake and brake hold system and your wireless phone charger. Right over here, we've got our 4-wheel drive, and then we've got our tow haul mode and our drive mode. Taking a look around, we've got this absolutely beautiful black and white leather interior, and taking a look up, we've got this gorgeous panoramic roof as well. So let's hop out and take a look at what's going on around back. Moving around back and looking up, we've got our black rear-mounted shark fin antenna, and back here we're also going to find our trailer hitch and the electrical for plugging your lights in. We also have the chrome Toyota badging as well as the 4x4, and our 2 backup cameras are right there on either side of the latch. All we want to do is press that button and our power lift gate will fold down. Inside we've got a beautiful spray and bed liner with cargo tie downs and bed lights. All we've got to do to close it up is press the button and it will help you swing it up. There is so many amazing features to this Tundra, including our power retractable running boards and alloy wheels, that there's no way to cover them all in this quick video. So if you'd like to come down and see it for yourself, come see us at 1624 Carey Road here in Kelowna, or you can phone us Monday to Saturday, or find us online anytime at KelownaToyota.com to get all the details and specs on this hybrid Tundra and to browse the rest of our new and used inventory. I hope everyone's doing fantastic. Please drive safe, and we look forward to seeing you soon.